Is already ordered. Clearance price. They will not be here anymore after they sell out because there's no reorder on these. Same construction that Tara was telling us about. Also dishwasher safe?
Also dishwasher safe. Yeah, put this up on the top rack. I just literally put it face down and put it up on top of my glasses in the top rack.
And you said it is 16
by
inches.
12.
16 by 12.
Yeah, 16 by 12. It's got the handles right here. That was important again. Could we have just carried it underneath? Sure, but there's something about having that security. When I have like my hot dogs and hamburgers and everything or desserts on here, I want to make sure that it's secure. But again, same thickness, same beautiful detailing there on the tray. Works perfectly back. You could even stack the dinnerware on it and bring it all out to the table together.
So let's talk about choices.
Sure.
That one over there is the garden. Look at how beautiful.
I love them.
You guys
super
did this.
vibrant.
Oh, well, they're also like exploded, like super big.
We call it vivid.
Yes,
yeah, where
I
we
love
take
it.
that pattern and blow it up so you can really see the detail.
Then we have for you the classic in the blue. We have classic in the yellow. Up here we have palm, which is getting limited now, fewer than 300. Patriotic.
The patriotic is
even
beautiful.
if you don't own one thing that is patriotic from Temp-tations, buy this. And when you use this on 4th of July and a Memorial Day and everything, like you will love this to serve your burgers and your hot dogs. Fewer than 400.
Your ribs, maybe you have ribs from Corky's. How great to put those right out of the right off the grill.
And then we have confetti.
Look how pretty.
Again, they are so vivid and vibrant.
Yes, yeah. So our son just bought his first home, and we are gifting him the Melamine set, right?
That's so nice.
And the trays, because it's something that he's going to use. He doesn't know he needs it yet, but he needs it.
Yeah, he does.
So of course we're going to gift it to him.
Of course he does.
But that's what's so nice about these, taking everything we've done from our hand-painted dinnerware and incorporating into our Melamine and giving you that ability to take it right out and not have to worry about it, taking it down by the pool. And you don't have to use the dinnerware all together. You can use the plates as little side plates, the bowls, anywhere, and the tray just ties it all together.
I mean, lining up hot dogs, right? Like lining up burgers, serving a pizza. You know, maybe you picked up the Blackstone grill, today's special value. Yeah, exactly.
I did, in
and
bronze.
then you did a pizza right on the grill. You can take it right off and place it here and then give it to serve it to your family and friends.
Look at that, just like showing you all the different things and how much of it holds. 16 by 12 with still those great cutouts. Like if you can swing it, I would pick up a couple of the trays because you'll use them for corn on the cob, ribs, wings, all those great things you're serving.
$4.50 is your easy pay to get them home. Here are your choices because we've got 800 people on the lines. Right up here in the front, I've got palms, but now I only have 150 remaining. That's gonna sell out just like the Melamine plates did, okay? I'm gonna move that 1 second. I'm gonna show you. Here it is in the confetti, 900, patriotic, 1300, yellow, 650. There is your garden, 700. Oh my gosh, they're all going. And then we have the blue, only 600 to go around.
Look behind you. Look how sweet. We put a little tea set, or a little lemonade set, I should say, with our little tumblers. But look how cute. You can, again, on our bench, with our pillows, we have our little sweet little tea service.
I do like that.
Or drink service.
All of this is available at QVC.com, by the way, and all Temp-tations is on sale up to 25% off. So you want to shop before these sale prices go away because a lot of them go away at the end of the day today.
Garden party.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so come on with us. We've got 2 more items left in our show.